G'day folks, well I've recently been having a play with this Uniden Dash View 60R, and this is just not your typical dash cam. This is one that you would really use to actually film your adventures. Why do I say that? Well, she's pretty high res. So you've got a 4K camera forward facing, and you've got a 2K camera rear facing, so really good quality there. Still a very compact unit, as you can see, really easy to attach to your windscreen. It's got this lovely little swivel mount on it, but if you want to get some really amazing resolution footage, if you just switch it to the front, you will get 5K footage there as well. So really nifty. And they're also using a Sony Starvis sensor. Now, what that's going to do is give you really good low light capability, which is fantastic when you're just cruising around and wanting to get those beautiful low light sunset shots. And because it is a dash cam, it's got all the good stuff that you need. So you've got your built-in GPS, you've got voice commands, you've got loop recording, event recording, as well as speed and red light camera warnings and built-in Wi-Fi. And you've got Japanese quality designed for Australia. So if you need something to film your next adventures, consider the Uniden Dash View 60R.